Our biggest customer was running out of space. So we decided that we needed to either find space or build space. And it became pretty quickly clear to us that building space was the way for us to go.
Our business continues to grow. It's critical to us to be able to feed it into one location and then be able to get the distribution out of the one rather than pulling from here, pulling from there. We have raw materials all over the country. There are onions from Idaho or spinach from Oregon. Well, they can handle not only the freezing of the product, the storage with their computer system and their picking system, the quality of their people, and they get the right product on the right truck going to the right place in good condition. And that's critical, that it be in good condition.
Some of the challenges, obviously space. You know, they're landlocked, and we were able to figure out the right area to demo and build a state-of-the-art facility for them.
The facility that we're standing in right now was a former dry facility. So we had the opportunity to demo the dry facility. We had the existing footprint here, which is about 100,000 square feet. So with that footprint, we were able then to design a facility that provided about 14,000 pallet positions.